Okay, so here is everything I need to hopefully get that seat post out of this frame with lye. I'm not responsible for the post being stuck in the first place, though I am responsible for this butcher job on the top of it that I hope I can fix. It's a piece of inner tube that I'm going to put over the top, wrap around a few times, good and tight, clamp it with one of those things. Here's my jar full of water that I'm going to add some of that lye to. This squirt bottle the lye is going to go into, and a little tube that I've rigged up to go from the bottle to the wee little hole in the bottom bracket that leads into the C2. For sure, the gloves are on hand. I don't have a proper mask, but I am going to be doing this outside. And lastly, half a hot dog wiener, because I want to see what happens to it when I put lye on it. I'm going to set this up and get shooting again afterwards. Okay, the bike is set up. There's the little plugging setup I made for the bottom. This is how the tubes fit into that bottom bracket. And over here is some lye that I mixed up. I read 200 grams of lye flakes per liter of water. This is a little less than a half liter, and it's got about 100 grams of flakes in it. I've been stirring it nice and light like this. Can't smell anything weird. Of course, that doesn't mean nothing's going on. If this is all right, yes, it's warm. There's chemistry going on. Here's hot dog wiener. And some aluminum too, because as I'll see, holy shit, something's burning on there, yeah. It's working. There is smoke coming off of that. I think this might work. Gonna put that in a bottle. I'll be back. Hey, I didn't actually get a shot of the stuff going in, but I wonder, can we get in there close enough to see? It's kind of bubbling. And you can sort of smell something funky when you get close to it. I'm gonna not do that much. Here's my gear after the fact. If you want to try this, I figured what I did is wash the gloves before I took them off. Just a good long rinse with water. Same thing with the bottle. If you try this and do get any on your hands, what I've read is the only thing that stops it is rinsing for 20 minutes with water. Nobody has enough vinegar on hand to do any good at all. Hope that does something good. Now I gotta go and do some actual work over there. Okay, time for a little update on this. It's been about an hour. You're gonna be able to see this. Can you see it? Oh, there it is. Something is definitely happening. The line is burbling out of there like crazy, and it seems to be leaving residue on the inside of the tube, so it's working. Okay, now that is absolutely definitely working. I think that tube is gonna fall. I don't really want to go near it. Most of this fumes seem to be going outside, so that's good. I'm gonna grab my gloves before it's too dangerous to put my hand near there. Okay, as the final thing of my lye experiment, when I finally got the seat post out, I took this piece of broken shaft and put it in a glass of lye. I don't even see very well, but this is the kind of mess that it makes of aluminum, and that piece at the end should break right off. Look at that. It's... I can grab it, I guess, but I don't want to grab it. Whip! Hang on. Roll it that way. See this bit? That just comes right off. That, I guess, used to be aluminum. That's what it looks like now. I can go in the scrap bin, and the neatest part, this is the glass that I put it in. This is the kind of stuff that was bubbling over the side, sort of greenish, and this is the kind of stuff that the aluminum turned into. It's sort of tarry black goop. And if anyone knows chemistry out there, want to tell me what that is, I'd be interested to know. Anyways, that's it. Lye does work to get seat posts out of bike frames, but keep at it.